If you're looking to increase leads and drive more business through your websites, then Adey Digital is the company for you. Our step-by-step process for working with clients is designed to ensure that we fully understand your business, your goals, and your target audience. The first step in working with us is the initial consultation. During this consultation, we'll sit down with you to discuss your business and your current digital marketing efforts. We'll provide an overview of our services and packages and help you understand how we can help you achieve your objectives. To schedule a consultation, simply reach out to us and we'll coordinate a suitable time for both parties. Once the consultation is complete, we'll create a proposal tailored to your specific needs. This proposal will outline the scope of work, budget, and expected outcomes. If you agree to this proposal, we'll send you a contract to sign. After a contract is signed, we'll schedule a kickoff meeting with you to get a better understanding of your brand, your target audience, and goals. During this meeting, our social media manager, also known as the team leader, and other team members as needed will be present and get a better understanding of your brand, target audience, and the goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your business, we'll form a team of specialists based on your needs and begin developing a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. Your team could consist of a social media manager, graphic designer, content writer, video editor, YouTube channel manager, advertising specialist, and so much more. Once the strategy is in place, we'll begin implementing and executing the various components of the digital marketing plan. This includes creating social media content, running ad campaigns, optimizing your website for SEO, and create videos for your YouTube channel. We'll be reporting on the progress on the agreed KPIs and optimize our strategies accordingly. Our team will continually monitor and analyze the results of our efforts and make adjustments as needed to ensure that we are meeting or exceeding your expectations. We will also provide regular reports and updates on the progress of your campaign, including metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, and ad performance. We will provide ongoing support and maintenance to make sure that your website and social media platforms are always up to date and that your campaigns are always reaching the right people at the right time. Finally, at the end of the contract, we will have a meeting with you to evaluate the results of our work together and discuss any future plans you have. If you have any questions or concern about the process, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you succeed, and we look forward to working with you.